Hi everyone, at you all. This is CoinsKid. Just going to dive into Vechain once again. Thanks for your support. So you can see right now Vechain is being it's a decision's coming basically, just like Bitcoin. It's coming into some kind of apex here, level of resistance and level of support. This is some kind of descending triangle which Vechain has created for itself. Look, you've got its resistance, you've got its support. Now, if you break this resistance, beautiful, you're going to come up and retest this 0618 fib, okay, and that's the high there, the local high at 14 cents basically. What 0146 79993 to be precise, I think. So basically, you know, it's coming, it's got a bit up down, chop sideways, isn't it? Okay, but equally, as you're fully aware, if you do start to roll out of this pattern right now, this is where you're going to see a correction, okay, and a retest of support, and you can see that particular correction, if you lose the support right now, is the support of a WW bottom, which I've shown you so many times retested on the way up when we've broken out of it. Look, boom, 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 you've come up, you've broken, come up, got overextended, you roll back, you lose this support here, a little wick down to this particular level of support before you get the continuation, just like in wave 2. Okay, so this is wave 4, it's playing out exactly the same. I'm not saying it's 100% going to happen, but if you do start to roll now and a break is coming, it's imminent over the next few days, because you're coming into an apex. Look, you're coming into the apex of this particular pattern. You're being propped up by the daily 20 at the moment. Okay, so this is supporting your ass. If you start to roll here, you can immediately see that you potentially the 20 EMA is going to come down on your head and force you to lose this support, bringing you back down to the 55 at least. Okay, but you would be carrying out a technical target here. You will be losing the support of a descending triangle. Okay, primarily you come up into it, so the bullish continuation patterns, but you know that they can go either way. They can go either way, and you know, obviously if you do start to break out this level of resistance right there, wherever it is, you know, even if it's today or tomorrow, you can see you're coming up for a retest of this high. Do you see that? And again, if you break that, you're looking at continuation. But you know, if you do start to roll and lose this support right now for Vechain, you could be looking at a whopping correction coming back down to this neckline of this WW bottom. Do you see that? And that would be a whopping correction. So if you start to see that loss of support, you will be looking at a 20% correction here for Vechain, coming back down to that level of support. So for me, if you see that, put some cheeky bids in down here, okay, 0.9180097, because I do think that would be your low in this bull market. Okay, and again, if you start to lose that could be quite negative. To be fair, it could be very, very negative for Vechain moving forward. And equally, if you start to lose this local low, you know, that we've created for ourselves at 0.05, that is really, really bad for Vechain. Full transparency, so you know. So far it's playing out beautifully. You know, you've broken out this beautiful double bottom. You've got the falling wedge pattern which you've broken out of. You retraced all the highs. You're obviously going to run into resistance. That's what you do. Okay, and if you hit that resistance, you roll back for support, look for support for continuation. And I think that this could be one kind of like last little shakeout, to be honest with you. A lot of people run for the hills. One little shakeout, and yeah, and that's basically Vechain. It might not happen, you know. We break this resistance, we pump up because we are bullish. We're above all the EMAs, okay, on the daily especially. We are in a golden cross, okay. We're in this beautiful buy and go to the weekly from CoinsKid. Come up, doing something like this. If you can break out its resistance, you're looking at continuation. Break this high here at 14 cents. The golden ratio, and you will immediately be looking at a retest of 786 at 19 cents. And with that, you know, you're coming up. You're looking at a full retracement here, and with that, you're looking at that continuation, and you're looking at price prediction up here at 158 roughly. You know, getting to the 1618 at 82 cents. Retrace, come back down to a key level support, continuation, blow off top there at $1.58 for Vechain basically. So that's Vechain. You know, it's all about resistance and support, and that is all it is at the moment. Break that resistance. Looking to go long, because I think with that you're looking at a beautiful long up wherever it is along this trend line. You're looking at a beautiful 18% long up anyway to come up and retest this high. Okay, and again, equally, you lose this level of support just there and roll in the market. You're looking at a 20% correction. Put some cheeky bids in down there, okay, because you will see a bounce. You will see a bounce. You always do. And from there right now, you could be looking at a whopping retracement long of around about 210% if we get in down there, if it is that fruitful for Vechain. Okay, so it's a decision's coming basically, because you can see you're coming towards the apex of this descending triangle. So a decision is coming, and the fact that, you know, we are moving into September, could the September dump that we do usually see for crypto, could that, you know, be the catalyst to see us come down to this key level support, where I'm going to put some cheeky bits in. Take care, everyone. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. Bye bye.